Hi, this is Adrian from ALD, and in this quick video, we will be showing you 3 tips and tricks when laser cutting. When cutting cardboard, mat board, and museum board, consider taping your material to prevent face burns. This will result in cleaner faces as the tape will absorb burns from laser deflections. When cutting acrylic, there are 2 types of coating. If it's a plastic coating, remove it before cutting as it is toxic and may burn. Paper coatings can be left on the acrylic or removed depending on your preference. To ensure clean cut edges, set your PPI to 1000 to reduce scalloping. Consider offsetting your geometry, as cutting acrylic often results in more significant material loss when compared to wood or paper materials. To engrave your hatches from Rhino, first set your power and speed settings, then make sure you set the mode to raster. Also, make sure your quality and throughput is set to 5 to ensure proper dimensioning. Other values will distort the proportions of your geometry.